Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Still from the Wednesday live eviction show, Preshdavid evicted from the Ultimate Love show. Preshtalker and Evicted became the second Ultimate Love couple to be evicted from the love part after Obiabi earlier checkout. This came as a rude shock when Ultimate Love host Oluwaseun P revealed after the eviction of Obiabi that another love couple will be exiting the show today, 25th March 2020, during the Ultimate Love Wednesday live show. Ultimate Love couple Preshdavid got the second lowest total vote. The reward in their portmanteau was revealed and they won 200k as well as other gift items. Ultimate Love finale is scheduled to take place this Sunday, 29 March 2020. So guys, finally Preshdavid left the love part after their plotting and scheming against Roxy and Bola. Nobody saw this coming, and it's a very big shock that they have left the love part. Share your thoughts with us in the comment section. Let me know if you're happy they left or whatnot. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.